My husband and I decided we wanted to come here for our vacation. We have a lot of things that need to be done. We're a homeowner, so be able to use those skills on small things around and plus build a new hobby together. We do not come from any kind of carpentry, woodworking background. I kind of gravitated towards learning to cook in the kitchen and baking and sewing from my mom, but I never really learned these kind of skills. And whereas Scott, you know, his dad is like a financial planner, wasn't doing a lot of this stuff, so he didn't learn that either. So we both were like, let's learn some of this. This is going to be very helpful just for small things, putting up a shelf and things like that. The teachers were fantastic at making everybody feel comfortable, regardless of like their skill level or regardless of what background they had, whether they were familiar with the tools or not, or had any carpentry experience. Nobody's judging. It's the camaraderie and everybody's trying to help each other, making sure everybody's getting a chance on all the tools. Everybody worked well together. Starting from the very beginning was really good. Great experience, met my expectations. I would say if you have an opportunity to go, just go. It might be a little out of your comfort zone, just push past it because you'll be comfortable once you get here. We hope to come back again for another class, hopefully.